The hell? Where you going?
He a whole animal.
This
He a
nigga
whole
crazy.
fucking animal, dog. He a whole animal, gang. Yeah. I don't know, y'all got this. I ain't gonna tell you how to play. You got this. I'm gonna let you play.
Is that one?
Good shit, boy. You gonna get a dub.
One over there on the left.
Y'all got this. Y'all got this. Y'all got this. Behind that shield, armor up. Get behind that shield.
I'm gonna push that guy in the ambulance. I'm pushing him right now. Got the ambulance guy.
Oh,
That's
you
one.
a for that. You a real
Yeah, he's John Wick for that.
I'm plating inside the ambulance right now.
That nigga really a idiot, like, God.
I'm gonna play this.
To the smoke right up on him and knife him.
Yeah, I'm gonna play this safe, right?
Oh, they getting that
Oh, they
good.
did a buyback?
Nigga,
Alright.
brought a nigga back.
Crazy.
Oh, you brought it.
I'm gonna play this
That
safe.
was tough, hey.
Right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Go
wait.
knife his ass.
No, let me wait a little bit. He didn't see me.
Oh, they see you now. He looking for you.
Oh, shit.
Hold on. Just a little bit more.
Everyone knows him. Yeah. Three more. There's like 3 dudes over there.
He was stinging my ass anyway. I hate my niggas that rich like mine. You couldn't hear that.
The hell? Where you going? Oh, this nigga's crazy.
He a gangster, ain't he? He a whole animal.
This
He
nigga
a whole fucking animal, dog. He a whole animal, gang. That's some savage shit, bro. That shit is savage, bro.
Wow.
Bro, that is savage to me.
I know them niggas, man.
That's what
I
I'm
know
saying,
them
bro.
niggas,
That's the whole thing is about. They really pissed because they followed all the rules. They did everything right. Hey, look, they took everybody. You know, they stayed in the circle.
Yep.
It's
They did a
still
buyback.
died, bro. That's crazy.
Yep.